Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today's video is dedicated to one of the most versatile and chic wardrobe staples. The mini black skirt. Whether you're dressing up for a night out, heading to a casual brunch, or looking for a stylish work outfit, a mini black shirt can be your go-to piece. In this video, we will explore various ways to style a mini black skirt for different occasions, giving you endless outfit inspiration. Let's dive in. For effortless chic look, pair your mini black skirt with a white graphic tee for a cool laid-back look, along with white sneakers. For accessories, use a crossbody bag, sunglasses, and minimalistic jewelry. Tuck in the tee and add a belt to accentuate your waist. For summer vibes, combine your mini black skirt with a colorful tank top or a crop top. Use sandals or espadrilles for footwear. A straw hat, a tote bag, and a layered necklaces can be used as an accessories. Opt for light, breathable fabrics to stay cool and comfortable. Pair your skirt with the flowy bohemian blouse for boho flair. Use ankle boots, wide brim hat, boho jewelry, and a fringed bag. Add a kimono or a light cardigan for an extra boho touch. For professional elegance, use a tuck in a crisp white button-down shirt into your mini black skirt. Use classic black pumps for footwear. A structured handbag, a wristwatch, and a stud earrings can be used as an accessories. Add a tailored blazer for a polished finish. Modern professional look. Pair your skirt with a sleek or a fitted knit sweater. Use pointed toe flats or loafers for footwear. A leather tote, minimalist jewelry, and a slim belt can be used as an accessories. Opt for neutral or monochrome tones to keep the look professional. For creative office style, combine your skirt with a patterned blouse or a colorful top. Use block heel shoes for footwear. A statement necklace, a chic handbag, and a bold earrings can be used as an accessories. Mix and match prints or textures for a creative flair. For night glam look, pair your mini black skirt with a sparkly or sequin top, along with strappy heels with a clutch, bold statement jewelry, and a leather jacket. Opt for dramatic makeup to complete the look. For elegant dinner date, combine your skirt with a silk blouse or a lace top with heeled ankle boots, along with a small handbag, delicate jewelry, and a wrap or shawl. Choose tops with elegant details like ruffles or bows for additional sophistication. For chic party look, wear your skirt with an off-shoulder or one-shoulder top. Metallic or embellished heels can be used as in footwear. A glittery clutch, chandelier earrings, and a statement ring can be used as an accessories. Experiment with bold colors and textures for standout party look. Use a statement belt to add a focal point and cinch the base for a more defined silhouette. Layer necklaces or stacked bracelets to add depth and interest to your outfit. Choose bags that can transition from day to night, like a convertible crossbody or a clutch with the chain strap. Perfect for a casual and comfortable look, pairing well with the tees and tanks. Heels, ideal for dressing up your mini black skirt. Boots, ankle boots or knee-high boots can add a stylish edge. The mini black skirt is a fashion must-have that offers endless styling possibilities. Whether you are aiming for a casual, professional, or glamorous look, this versatile piece can be adapted to suit any occasion. From pairing it with graphic tees and tank tops for a relaxed vibe to dressing it up with elegant blouses and statement jewelry for a night out, the mini black skirt is your ticket to effortless style. Thank you for joining us on Luna Fashion and Beauty for today's video on mini black skirt outfits. We hope these styling tips and outfit ideas inspire you to create your own chic and fashionable look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fashion and inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish and confident.